Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you want to use the Hyper-V on your system? So in this video I will show you how to install the Hyper-V manager on your system. So Hyper-V is basically a platform where you can create a virtual machine on this platform. So first of all you need to have at least Windows Pro Edition on your system or Enterprise Edition in order to install it. How you can install it? You need to basically add its feature on Windows. Just type or turn Windows feature on or off and look for the options which says Hyper-V. Just tick this box and under that option all should be ticked, and once all ticked you just need to click on OK, and once you click on OK it will be asked to restart your Windows. Just launch the machine you have as simply create on your machine on this platform. How to create the machine on this platform? I tried to make a bootable pen drive, but you can see it is asking. How to create the virtual machine inside this? What you need to do is, let me just turn it off and then delete this machine. Once you launch it, you need to click on new option here. Simply click on the virtual machine. Then first option, just click on next. The machine name you want to give, it is default name. You can give Windows 11. Then click on next, and this is a store the virtual machine on a different location. This option you can also select it, and this is the by default location on Windows, so leave it as it is, otherwise you can choose another location. And virtual machine is 64-bit. This is has UEFI only, but if you have the older version you can choose the virtual machine generation as second one. The 32-bit and 64-bit is selected while you select the generation 1, and generation 2 is for 64-bit base only, the UE5 settings. You can select this option whatever you like. Then next, and startup memory, this is the memory, it will be almost 4 GB. Look for your physical memory on your system and accordingly you can give. If you have 16 GB, give it at least 4. But if you have more than that, 16 or 32 GB, you can give it 8. Just give it to 9000, almost will be almost 8 to 9 GB round. Next, connection not selected, just select the default switch. Next, and create the virtual hard disk. This will be here, and 128 GB, just select 60 GB for the testing purpose, and then click on next. Install an operating system later, or you can choose the bootable pen drive. Install this image ISO, select this option, then browse and simply choose your ISO file here. This is my ISO file. I'm selecting open and then click on next and click on finish, and it is creating the disk. And now once it is off, you can right click and connect, and virtual machine should be launched like this. You just need to click on yes option and then start it, and you will see after that it is launching here. And the window installation is same as it is. You can see you can install the Windows 11 on it. Very easy, same steps. Next, next, click next, later. And the rest of the installation will be same. Which edition you want to look for the options. So there are multiple regions, multiple options: Pro Edition, Educations, Single Home Language. Just next, and you can see Windows PC must have 2.0. Since I have selected the generation 1, so that is the reason it is not able to install it. You can go to back option or you can turn it off. Turn off this machine and you can choose the option to generation 2. Go to BIOS options here, security, processors. So you can also delete this machine if you want. Just select that machine, right click and simply delete it like this, and this machine will be deleted. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.